Hey kids, ever have a bully who tries to hurt you? Maybe shoves you down? Have you tried to walk away and they follow you? Well, now this song will show you what to do. If you want to stop a bully, do a block. If you want to stop a bully, do a block. Block 'em once, block 'em twice. You're trying to be nice. If you want to stop a bully, do a block. If you want to stop a bully, do a kick. If you want to stop a bully, do a kick. Kick them once, kick them twice. You try to be nice. If you want to stop a bully, do a kick. If you want to stop a bully, hammer fist. If you want to stop a bully, hammer fist. Hammer once, hammer twice. You're done being nice. If you want to stop a bully, hammer fist. Now your school may say you're doing something wrong, keeping your body safe with this song. Talk to mom, talk to dad. You'll see that they're not mad. They'll really, really be proud of you. The moral of this story is to protect yourself. Do what your school wouldn't do.